A very, very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, as we are starting a new day, as you all know, this is basically yet another day where you're going to see, we're going to be live for 4 hours. So 4 to 8 p.m. is when we're going to be live. And we're going to see a couple of things that we are going to discuss. Technical analysis is obviously a part of it. And then other than that, we also have markets that we keep seeing what is happening in markets or what is happening across the globe. So those are the things that we'll continue to see. All right, so let's just begin. Oh, okay. So as you all know, Zbit is live and Zbit is basically available on the Play Store. So please continue to use Zbit and utilize this platform for your day-to-day trading. All right. Yes. Let me just post my. All right, let's begin. So for every crypto, basically, it's not just about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any stablecoin for that matter, but it is for all the cryptos. There is basically a cycle that the cryptos follow. So there will be a phase of accumulation where the orders get collected, where the buying gets accumulated in the sense that we will see that the prices might have surged to a very high in the recent past, and after the profit taking, everybody basically, after all the sell-offs, then the price continuously tries to come down. That's where the consolidation or the accumulation or the pullback phase comes. So it goes about in for a couple of days, weeks, and all, and then once that happens, the price suddenly starts shooting. That's what you will see, where a major whale entry happens or things like that, and the price moves up. So for aggressive orders, the price moves, but for passive orders, the prices doesn't move much. So there are, when you see some retail buying and selling that keeps happening, that will not move the prices very quickly. But if there is any intervention, especially by the whales, then you will see that the price shoots up or shoots down very quickly in that particular phase. So at that point in time, you will see that the price will start rallying. So in a month, in a cycle of about 1 month, for example, hypothetically, let's just take this as an example. There will be 1 week where there will be accumulation that will be happening, which means that they will be collecting all the orders. Then second week, probably it might be a rally where the price will continue to shoot up, 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 up. Then the third week, basically it might be a distribution phase where the prices will be, the people will start taking the uh, profits, and then you will see that the major sell-offs are happening and during that phase. And after the major sell-offs, then you will see that the price again shoots back to its normal. Now, this is a normal cycle for any crypto to happen. Okay, that is how it happens. But how, when, what time, which week, which period, which day, and all of that, that is not very certain for any crypto until unless you deep dive into any of the cryptos and try to find out what's actually happening here and there. So this will be the cycle. Always the cycle will remain same. It's for every crypto, be it a stable coin, be it a meme coin, be it a NFT or whatever. The phase is going to remain same. The cycle is going to remain same. But during what periods or phases, that's uncertain because we do not know when it is going to go up. When it is, so for example, even if I say today that in the first week of January, no sorry, in the first week of September, if it's an accumulation phase, but suddenly some news comes up, like uncertain news comes up during the first week of September itself, and then the price starts shooting crazily, you can't say that, right? Because uh, that doesn't become the truth. So that is why what I try to tell is the cycle is going to remain same. Accumulation phase, where the exchange platform or the company will accumulate orders, like from the retail buyers or from uh, the order keeps coming. That is first thing. Second thing, then the prices will continue to shoot up because there's a lot of buying that's happening, because price is already low, people keep buying, and as the buying keeps happening, then the prices will start shooting. So that will take some time, and then the profit taking phase will happen, and then the price will again further go down, then again it will come up. So that is the cycle you understood. How, when, and all of that, that's something is subjective to crypto. You'll have to watch it out. Each one will have their own cycle, each one will have its own you know up period and down period and all of that. That is a different thing altogether, so that you will have to analyze it for yourself. So right now, in the recent past, just about like a couple of days ago, we saw that Ethereum had reached its all-time high of around 4,900 or something, right? It reached its height. And then now, after taking the profit, all the sellers have, liquidated, and they have taken their profits. Now, the market has come down completely because each one of them had withdrawn their amounts. They like surged it to great height, and then now the price slowly came down. So now price is basically retesting the previous support and support levels. That's what it is at. So you can see the price is hovering around 4,000 to 4,300 range, and that is where it is playing around. So in that scenario, we have to see how best we can take advantage of such kind of situations. Whenever the market is in negative, I always tell all my viewers and audiences that do not worry, do not panic, do not worry about anything. Even if at some point in time you took a wrong decision, like in first time you took a decision of buying it and then you couldn't you couldn't get the profit immediately, you can still hold on and you can take the advantage of dollar cost averaging, and then shoot out to, like add on to some more money in the next phase, and then third week again you can do it. There is no right or wrong. So what happens here is, there is one thing which you need to understand. In stable coins, in stable cryptocurrencies, the chances of recovery is around 90 to 95, or I can say even 98%. But if you go for some hyped coins, like maybe NFTs, or you go for meme coins or things like that, you might not be able to recover some of the things because of its lack of demand or things like that. But demand, crypto, like for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or top five stable coins, also if we pick it up, those are bound to recover because they have a lot of liquidity. They will recover over a period of time, and they will basically give you the profit that you're looking for. So even if at this point in time you got stuck for whatever reason, you thought you will do day trading, you'll uh, enter into the trade, and by a couple of hours you will take out the profit, and you will basically get out of it. But unfortunately your money got stuck for some reason. So in that phase, what happens is, instead of day trading, now it becomes swing trading for you, where your money gets stuck for several days, and that is how it happens. So uh, those days you don't have to worry, especially in terms of stable coins. I am telling you, in terms of stable coins. Yes, in stable coins also, we have seen in recent past, like in the month of Feb or March, if I'm not wrong, there was a major hack even for Ethereum. But what really matters is, like, if in case we are going for any exchange platform, if that particular exchange platform has got good backing, like exchange platforms are supposed to maintain some reserves into their bank, like into their separate accounts, which means whether or not if the customers are investing or putting money in their exchange platforms, if they have something backing, some backing there, then the money, even if it gets hacked for whatever reason or gets scammed or whatever, then the company or the exchange platform will be in a position to pay to the customer. Like in the case of CoinDCX, let me explain you. Like in recent past, we saw that CoinDCX got hacked, and there were like millions of worth of cryptos were hacked, and that's where whole, like all of the customers, everybody was panicking. And I saw an interview of Sumit Gupta, also the CEO of CoinDCX, basically, where he mentioned that not a single penny about the customer, like of the customer, was compromised, because CoinDCX had separate reserve treasury which they used to maintain. They basically, even if they hacked money while it was in the recovery phase, where they put a team behind, like, no, I wouldn't say FBI, but some team behind to kind of recover the funds that were lost, they were having enough funds in the treasury that they were able to prepay to the customers whoever's account got hacked. So all I'm trying to say here is that these are the few fundamental things. When you get onto a platform, all you need to do is you need to understand how strong the platform is, and how easy or how easily you can recover your money. So Zbit is a regulated platform. Zbit is licensed under financial uh, service conduct authority of South Africa. I'll show you the license of it, like the license number of it. Some of you keep asking me these questions, and I am very upset at times to kind of make you guys realize that we are not fake, we are not scams, we are not faking around with anything. Here we are a genuine platform. Just a sec, give me a second. We are a genuine platform, and we are basically very much governed under the law. So your money is safe, your money is not going to go anywhere, your money is not uh, so you can see here, I'm going to open X here, X official. Yeah. Can you see this? Now I'm going to open this. So ZBIT is basically regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority of South Africa. The license number is here. Your funds are secure. Your funds are protected. I don't know why still so many people ask me this question. We've got our presence, like our offices are based out of Gold. So we have presence in Business Bay, also in Dubai, and then we have a presence in Indonesia, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and a lot of other countries that we are operating in. So guys, if you get onto the Zbit platform also, here, I'll open the Zbit platform here to show you. When you go to the About Us section, you will find all the details here. See, we are a 3-year-old peer-to-peer brand with basically operating offices in South Africa, UAE, India, and Nigeria. So we have this presence in 2025. We have begun this new chapter called Zbit, but prior to that, if you see, we were serving over 20 countries. Instant Swap launched on CB, serving over 10 countries. Then our beginning had happened as in 2022, where we founded Cheesy Bit and P2P trading platform and all of that. So I don't understand each one of you asking me such kind of questions. I don't get the feeling of trust on the platform, this, that. Why are you even asking these questions? Can you see, like, we are very much present in all these countries, and we are operating, we have our offices here. I have given all the authenticated information that you were looking for, but still you guys keep on asking this question. But unfortunately, I'm so upset at times, but yes, this is what it is. Please guys, learn to trust the platform Learn to Trust us. Our 24/7 customer service team is sitting here based out of Dubai. We are there at your service every time to answer to your questions, to your complaints, to your grievances, to whatnot. Whatever you want to ask, we are very much there, and we will definitely adhere to all the things and attend to all the things that you're looking for. So please have that belief on us. We are here to guide you. And even in the streams, when we are talking, we are educating you guys step by step how to begin this cryptocurrency journey. Because I know, coming from traditional background, a lot of you might not understand the simple jargon also behind it, the simple terms behind it, simple things behind it. So why that's the reason we are here. We are regulated, and we are here to kind of help you in terms of understanding that it's not difficult to begin. So please have that faith. Just a second. All right. So all the things as a beginner trader, whatever you need is available on the platform. Yes, I agree. We do not have the iOS version of it right now. A lot of you are struggling because each one of you use, like iOS phones. You guys use iPhones and all of that. Right now, we don't have the iOS download, like, the app version of it. We have Android version of it, but you can use the Android version of it right now. And if in case you have an iPhone, I have given a registration link separately to everyone, and my code also. My code is EZTBB. Please use that to basically enter into the trades, like, enter, like, download the or register on the app. All right. So that is what you have to do. I don't know what else can can I authenticate each one of you. I don't know like what more should I tell to give you that trust or give you that faith in the platform. Anyways, so let's begin our day. I will share the link with you guys. Zbit platform, this is your Zbit platform. Here you can come and sign up on the platform. Okay, this is where you go here, and my invite code is, all right. All right, use this code to register on the platform, and then you get the chance to start your crypto journey. So there are some kind of there are things that are going on the platform, some marketing things which are basically like getting free crypto. In case you want to get free crypto, you can use this, and you get the rewards where you get the chance to enter into the lottery, and up to $1,200 is what you can win. So there are some terms and conditions to it associated, like you need to obviously register first, then KYC yourself, which means you need to submit a document. Right now, we are operating only in India and Nigeria. Remember this, we are just operating in India and Nigeria. So you need an Indian number and an Indian passport, or Nigerian number and Nigerian passport, and then you can, begin your journey. Once you do that, KYC yourself, then you can deposit money. The money can be anywhere from $5 to anything that you wish to, and then start the spot trading and futures trading journey with us. The lottery, once you KYC and deposit, you get the chance to enter into the lottery, and you can win the free crypto that is waiting for you. Once you do that, guys, you join the streams. Our guidance is there 24/7, in the sense, like our live stream team is there 8 hours a day. Some days, sometimes we are 4 hours a day. we are live, and we will continue to guide you at every step from onboarding yourself to starting the crypto journey. And then the second thing is our customer service team is also there. If in case you have any questions, or your app is getting stuck somewhere, or there is some glitch in the application, something is going wrong, our customer service team is there to handle that. So there's a button on the top right corner which you can click and get in touch with the customer service team and talk to them directly as well. Or you can shoot out a question to me in the live stream and I will be able to answer to your questions. So that is what we are, all about. So please, I want you guys to just have faith and trust and start the crypto journey with us. And don't panic. Don't be like, don't doubt is what I will say. That is all I can say right now. So Bitcoin, after reaching all-time highs in recent past, whatever the spikes that has happened, like around, I think it went till 113, 115 also. So now it has come back to 108, 699, experiencing a 1.24% decline from the previous close. And the market capitalization has also dipped to around 3.78 trillion, with investor sentiment indicating fear. So at this moment, are we actually supposed to fear? My answer to all you guys would be like, there's nothing much to fear about. Obviously, if somebody has bought it at a high, you might be fearing, but there is nothing to fear in, even if it is pulled back a little after the profit taking, then there is nothing to worry, because again the reversal will happen, again the prices will shoot back, so you will be recovering out of it. Yes, one thing which we were discussing in the starting of the session is every crypto goes through four phases, which you need to understand that now that the prices have pulled back after the profit taking, the prices will continue to be in accumulation or the pullback phase where the buying will continue to happen. And at this stage, there will be orders that the exchange platform will be collecting, and then and that process, how much time does it take? Nobody knows, honestly speaking. So it will take some time, and once the orders basically gets accumulated, you will see that the price starts to rise in couple of days. And once the price starts rising, there will be profit taking that will happen. That is the third phase. And then the third stage it crosses after everybody takes the profit, and the profit basic the the price again shoots back to the normal level. Then again it goes back to the same cycle. So all these four steps keep repeating, and that is very normal. Now for you to identify this as an investor or a trader is you have to watch out on the charts where your RSI levels are. RSI is a good indicator indicating very clearly whenever the positions are oversold or overbought condition. So if in case you're not sure where the crypto is on larger time frames, you can always check whether the RSI has reached the overbought conditions or oversold conditions, so that you know that the whether the reversal is going to come or a pullback is going to come. So in that scenario, you will be able to identify whether or not you should take trade. So what happens is sometimes when you miss out on this information, you go by somebody telling you to buy, and you did not do your research, for example, and you saw that the price was already at a high and you didn't knew that, and you just went and entered into the market without realizing that the prices were already hyped up, the prices were already high. So in that scenario, you will be buying it at a very high price, which will definitely will not be the right way to do it. Now, how do you determine whether the prices are overhyped or not? You go on larger time frames, probably even pick up a week or a day, chart. Anything is okay for understanding the longer term trend, for understanding the bigger perspective of where that crypto is standing. Always choose bigger time frames like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or whatever, to understand where that crypto is. So now, for example, if I pick up 1 week chart here, I'm going to add my other indicators here. Hold on for a second. I'll show you what you have to do. So you pick up this 1 week chart and then you add your indicators, RSI, okay, RSI. All right. and then I'll come back to other indicators too to show you where we are heading. So you can see this is my weekly chart, and this is where my weekly chart is pointing out clearly that here at this point in time it's reached its 66.61. It's at a overbought condition. Okay, still it is in the overbought condition right now, which means that recently there was a major high that has happened. Like you can see here, 4974 is what it reached about I think a couple of days ago. So when it reached that level, basically now it's time it starts coming down, and then it starts coming to the support level, the previous level that it had created, and then from there again the price will shoot back. So right now today, as you can see, the prices are continuing to, this is my which candle you see, this is my 25th August candle, and this is on my weekly chart. It's a very larger perspective that we are looking at, and we are not looking at small time frame. So we are understanding that the price at this level, for example, if I talk about this level, and you see on my RSI simultaneously, see that on my RSI, where it was at 4974, right? So my RSI also at that point in time was at 70. I think what was the level at that point in time? 74, not 70. So you see on the larger time frame also the RSI was above 70. So even when we are actually day trading, we are doing swing trading or whatever, we are always looking at over exhaustion levels, right? Either it is overbought or either it is oversold. That is what we are looking at. So to determine at this point in time, on a longer time frame, on a bigger time frame, you're seeing if it has reached the exhaustion level or not. And we saw clearly that 497 was this exhaustive level. And from there, I mean, there was still more opportunity. Of course, capacity was there. It just went above 70, which is just about 4 points it went above. It could have gone more up, maybe till 80 also was possible, even till 100 it is possible. But after that level, it couldn't sustain that, and then it started shooting back. So one very important thing which you also need to understand is that the cycle basically will be like every month there will be 4 phases or 4 steps we talked about, right? So the price has to first accumulate, the first thing, then the orders keep piling up, then the orders, once they pile up, they basically will shoot the price up, and once you see that the price will shoot up, then the profit taking will happen, third stage, and then the prices will come down. So at this point in time, where the price reached till 4,974, it got rejected, and then from there it started moving down. Now that we are entering into a new month altogether, we know that the cycle will again move, where from down to up to profit taking to then again coming down. This is what it will be, the vicious circle. Understand this circle. Price went up last month. Just few days ago, it touched 4,974 for Ethereum. It went all time high. Now it's time, after 4,974, everybody started taking out profits because it reached 4,974. Imagine, like, back in April, it was trading at 1,300. Even if somebody would have invested 1,300 back then and they wanted to withdraw it, all the orders, and I'm not saying the orders only between the month of August. I'm not talking about August. It could be like people who would have placed orders like 2 years ago, 1 year ago, 3 years ago. Because see, 4,974 is the highest for Ethereum, honestly speaking. It made its all-time high again. So 4,974, imagine some people who would have invested in Ethereum like maybe 5 years ago, 10 years, even they wanted to take a profit out, or somebody was invested within this month only. Like like you and me, we are day traders. For example, I do day trading. I'm always trading, like every alternate day, every second day I'm always trading. So I don't like to hodl it for longer period of times, in the sense that I don't want to buy it and keep it like forever, or like I'm not keeping anything in my pocket since ages or something. I just buy today, I try to sell it in a day or tomorrow, and then I just get done with it. I'm happy with whatever profit I make. Like even if I make $5, $10, $40, $50. Some days are very good. I make $100 also. So it's a combination of everything. So I don't hodl. I don't wait like so long. But there are all types of people. You agree, right? You also might be one of them, where basically you want to hodl it for like longer period of times, like maybe since 5 years you're holding, since 10 years you're holding, and then you saw that Ethereum reached all-time high. So now the prices has to shoot back. So after the price went to its all-time high, the next stage that came is basically now the profit taking started. Now the prices started shooting, coming down completely. So this is very much clear on the longer time frames. The weekly chart is clearly showing that it reached its exhaustion level. So now the profit, the first stage, which is the accumulation phase, it started coming to that. Now probably by maybe for a week or something, it will continue to happen this way only, where the prices will be accumulating, the orders will be accumulating, and then after a week or so, then the prices will start shooting. And then the price, once they shoot, maybe the whales will enter and all of that, and then they will take the price more up. And once you see from the support level, it reached to a good high there, that's where even you or any other trader for that matter will start taking the profits out, and then again it goes back to the normal level. So this is the cycle. So you can keep it like a four step cycle, or a 4 week cycle, which will happen in a month. In a month, it will for sure happen. These 4 stages at any cost. Now, from what day to what date, nobody can say, because हो सकता है कि between 1 to 7 days accumulation phase हो, फिर 8th to 15th basically there might be a rally that will happen, which means the prices will increase. Then third week, which is like 16th to again how many days, जो भी 7 days बनते हैं, 17th 18th 19th 20 21 22 23, so 23 के बीच में जो थर्ड वाला फेज होता है, जो कि प्रॉफिट टेकिंग का होता है, तो थर्ड वीक में बेसिकली प्राइस नीचे आने को लग जाएगा. फिर चौथे वाले जो वीक होता है, जो कि 24th से लेके जो 30th के बीच में, या 24th से लेके 31st के बीच में जो भी टाइम होता है, उसमें बेसिकली फिर से वापस प्राइस, क्योंकि प्रॉफिट टेकिंग के बाद वो नीचे चला गया है, तो वो बेसिकली वहां से फिर से अक्यूमुलेट करना शुरू करें. या फिर ये हो सकता है कि अगर प्राइस को और फर्दर बढ़ना हो, अगर सपोज थर्ड वीक में लोगों ने प्रॉफिट नहीं लिया, थिंकिंग दैट प्रोबेबली इट्स स्टिल एट इट्स नॉट मिनिमल लेवल, मतलब ओवर वैल्यूड नहीं है, और लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं, वी कैन स्टिल बाय एंड देयर इज लाइक बाइंग प्रेशर कंटिन्यू टू बिल्ड, हो सकता है कि थर्ड वीक से फोर्थ वीक में भी कंटिन्यू हो, और फिर फोर्थ वीक की लाइक ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू मंथ एंड शायद वो वापस से गिरने लगे, जैसे अभी जुलाई में हुआ है, सॉरी नॉट जुलाई, अगस्त में हुआ है, जस्ट अबाउट कपल ऑफ डेज अगो. अभी आप देखो, इवन ये वाला जो 4954 है, आई थिंक ये 3 or 4 days पहले कुछ 4954 पर गया, राइट? तो यानी मंथ की ऑलमोस्ट एंड से दो, मतलब 4 या 5 दिन पहले उसने हाई बना के फिर वहां से उसने मतलब डुबकी मारी है. तो मतलब जो हाई जो रीच करता है ना, वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. और ये भी हाथ में हमारे नहीं है कि जब एक्यूमुलेशन फेज में हो तो उसी समय जो है ना सारे के सारे ऑर्डर्स आ जाए, तो शायद विद इन कपल ऑफ डेज ओनली शायद उठ जाए. जो जैसे अभी मैंने आपको डिवाइड करके बताया कि हो सकता है 1 वीक ऐसा हो, नेक्स्ट सेकंड वीक ऐसा हो, थर्ड वीक ऐसा, फोर्थ वीक हो, लेकिन इसमें कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि 1 वीक एक्यूमुलेशन ही होगा, दूसरा वीक रैली ही करेगा, तीसरा वीक बेसिकली प्रॉफिट टेकिंग ही होगा, चौथा वीक बेसिकली अगेन वो एक्यूमुलेशन फेज में जाएगा. ऐसा कोई गारंटी नहीं है. तो ये चीज समझिए. 4954 हमने देखा कि उसने ओवर एग्जॉस्शन लेवल पे रीच कर दिया, उसने आरएसआई पे भी एग्जॉस्शन लेवल पे उसने रीच कर दिया, यहाँ से प्रॉफिट टेकिंग हो रही है, अब वो वापस से अपने सपोर्ट की लेवल के पास पहुंच रहा है. तो उसका वापस सपोर्ट रहा है 4000 से 4300 के बीच में, और वहीं वो रेंज में वापस से दौड़ गया है. अब अगर 4300 के लेवल पर वो उसको मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहा है, यानी यहाँ पर भी एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम पीपल स्टिल फील के भाई मतलब अभी भी थोड़ा ओवर वैल्यूड लग रहा है, तो लोग कंटिन्यूसली यहाँ पर भी सेलिंग करने लगे एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम हो सकता है कि सेलिंग करें। नहीं, कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि यार ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा ये प्राइस गिर गया है तो अभी मैं बाई करना शुरू कर दूं। दोनों टाइप के लोग होते हैं, राइट? अब अगर मैं इसको देखूं फॉर एग्जांपल, क्योंकि नेगेटिव में चल रहा है, तो मैं शायद ये मेंटालिटी से सोचूं कि शायद आई वांट टू बेसिकली बाई एट दिस स्टेज। कोई कोई लोग होंगे, हो सकता है कि मतलब उन्होंने सालों पहले $500 पे इथेरियम लेकर रखी हो, उनको ये प्राइस स्टिल लाइक लाइक मतलब अच्छा ही लगता होगा, जहाँ पे उनको ठीक ठाक प्रॉफिट आ रहा हो। तो शायद वो वाले लोग जो 4 5 10 साल पहले भी लेकर रखे होंगे, वो लोग शायद यहाँ पर सेल करना चाहते हो। तो यहाँ पे और अगर सेलिंग कंटिन्यू होगी तो हो सकता है कि और प्राइस नीचे की तरफ चला जाए और वो 4000 के लेवल तक मेंटेन ना कर पाए और फर्दर डाउन होते जाए। तो ये इन अनसर्टेन है, इन चीजों को बेसिकली हम इस पे कोई गारंटी दे नहीं सकते। हाँ, चार्ट्स पे देख के ऑब्वियसली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं कि बाई कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो कोशिश करें कि ओवर वैल्यू पे कभी भी ना खरीदें। ओवर वैल्यूएशन को कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है मैंने आपको कई सेशंस में बताया है कि नेटवर्क वैल्यू टू ट्रांजैक्शन करके एक रेशियो होता है जो बेसिकली आप यूज कर सकते हो टू बी एबल टू यू नो डिटरमाइन के कोई भी क्रिप्टो फेयर वैल्यू है, अंडर वैल्यू है या ओवर वैल्यूड है, वो सब मालूम करके आप बेसिकली अपने ट्रेड को ले सकते हो। अगर ओवर वैल्यू लगता है, बेटर अवॉइड के उसको खरीदना अवॉइड करें, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी प्राइस हाई पर है, तो खरीदना ऐसे टाइम पर कोई रीजन नहीं बनता है। बट हाँ, अंडर वैल्यू या फेयर वैल्यू पर हो तो यस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय। अभी 4367 के रेंज पे चल रहा है। आरएसआई पे वीकली चार्ट पे आप देख सकते हो कि वो ओवर एक्सॉशन लेवल पे पहुंच गया था, अब वो नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है। तो ये तो टोटली मतलब ना बाइंग प्रेशर और सेलिंग प्रेशर पे डिपेंड करेगा कि अगर बायर्स है भी लाइक जो भी होगा, चाहे बायर्स अगर प्रेशर बना देते हैं तो प्राइस ऊपर की तरफ शूट आउट हो जाएगा, सेलर्स बन जाते हैं तो फिर और ये फर्दर नीचे की तरफ जा सकता है। अभी इससे तो हमको डिटरमाइन हो गया कि ओवर एक्सॉशन लेवल पे चला गया था, जिसकी वजह से अब ये नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है ऑन द लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम। अब इसको छोटे से टाइम फ्रेम पे लगा के देख लेते हैं। मैं एक बार इसका डे चार्ट पे भी मैं इसको एक बार डिटरमाइन करूंगी। देखो, डे चार्ट पे अगर मैं देखूं डेली चार्ट पे, तो डेली चार्ट पे इधर की तरफ 24 अगस्त को ऑलमोस्ट बेसिकली जब 4036, ये जो 4935 ये वाली जो कैंडल है, यहाँ पर उसने आरएसआई पर भी उसने ऑलमोस्ट 66 लेवल। देखो, डेली चार्ट पे अगर मैं बात करूँ ना, उसने स्टिल ओवर एग्जॉशन लेवल पे वो गया नहीं था एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग, देखा जाए ना। अगर डेली चार्ट, वीकली पे बात करो, हाँ वो ओवर एग्जॉशन पे चला गया था, जिसकी वजह से प्राइस फर्दर नीचे शूट हुआ है। पर यस, ऑन डेली चार्ट उसमें स्टिल कैपेसिटी थी। अभी इन दोनों से तो हमको पता चल गया कि वो ऑलमोस्ट ओवर एग्जॉशन लेवल पर चला गया था और उसने ट्रेंड बदल लिया। अब हम आते हैं 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर, और अब हम इसको 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर इसको डिटरमाइन करेंगे। तो देखिए, अभी 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर देखो आप, 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर वहां पर वो ओवर बॉट कंडीशन में था, और अब यहाँ देखो पूरा का पूरा सिनारियो चेंज हो गया है। अभी यहाँ देखो आप कि यहाँ पर ये बेसिकली कंप्लीटली ओवर सोल्ड की जोन में चला गया है। कितना फर्क है देखो गाइस, कितना फर्क है। अभी के अभी आपको जस्ट पता चल रहा है कि मैंने डे चार्ट देखा, ओके, मैंने वीकली चार्ट देखा, उसमें वो ओवर एग्जॉस्टिव बॉट कंडीशन में चला गया। यानी इतनी खरीदारी हो गई है कि अब उसको नीचे की तरफ बढ़ना है करके वो ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ बढ़ रहा था। लेकिन यहाँ देखो, अभी आप जब छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पर, आप 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर आप इसको लगाकर देखते हो, तो ये ओवर सोल्ड वाली जोन में चला गया, यानी ये 23 के नीचे चल रहा है फिलहाल ऑन आरएसआई। यानी ये यहाँ पर ये बता रहे हैं कि इतनी ज्यादा सेलिंग हो रही है, इतनी ज्यादा सेलिंग हो रही है कि वो अभी ओवर सोल्ड हो चुका है। तो ऐसे में छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे ये आपको खरीदने की इंडिकेशन दे रहा है, लेकिन वहां पर आपको क्या बता रहा है, वहां पर आपको बता रहा है कि वो बेसिकली ओवर सोल्ड वाली जोन बता रहा है, सॉरी ओवर बॉट वाली जोन बता रहा है। यानी बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पर वहां से लोग बेच रहे हैं, और यहाँ पर अगर आप देखो, क्योंकि ये ओवरबॉट ओवर सोल्ड वाली जोन में आ गया है, तो आपके लिए ये बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। तो अभी दोनों पर्सपेक्टिव से आप इसको देख रहे हो, कौन सी वाली कंडीशन आपके लिए सही है, ये आपको डिटरमाइन करना है। अगर आपने पहले से खरीद रखा हो तो आपने ऐसे समय पे सेल करना, आपने शुरू करना है, जो भी आपने लेवल पे लिया था होगा। और अगर इनकेस आपने ये छोटे टाइम फ्रेम्स पर आप देख रहे हो, तो अगर आपको इस समय पे बाय करना हो तो देयर इज द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट इज लाइंग हियर व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर बाइंग। तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है, और बहुत ज्यादा लाइक डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इसको एनालाइज कर लेंगे, ये सारी चीजें आपके लिए काफी आसान हो जाएगी। गाइस व्हाई डू स्वीट मैं थ्योरी देख रही थी ना, ये वीकली चार्ट पर चलेगा, मैं 5 मिनट्स के चार्ट पर रही। ऑलराइट, अभी आप मुझे बताओ कि वीकली चार्ट पर और आपने डेली चार्ट पर अभी देख लिया कि इथेरियम बेसिकली हाँ, ओके, तो आपने अभी देख लिया कि वीकली और डेली चार्ट पे इथेरियम बेसिकली ओवरबॉट कंडीशन में पहुंच गया था, अब वो प्रॉफिट टेकिंग पे आ गया, अब वो नीचे की तरफ बढ़ रहा है। अभी इस समय पे आपकी फीलिंग क्या कहती है? डू यू थिंक यू वुड लाइक टू बाई इट एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम? क्या ये प्राइस जो आप अभी देख रहे हो इज गुड इनफ फॉर यू टू बाई इट, और डू यू थिंक देयर इज स्टिल रूम फॉर इट टू गो फर्दर डाउन, ताकि आप बाइंग बाद में करें जब वो कंप्लीटली एग्जॉशन लेवल पर आ जाए? तो 5 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम पे तो हमें बेसिकली एक बाइंग पोजीशन मिल जाती है, जो कि शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में हमको बेसिकली हमें पता चल रहा है कि हम खरीद तो सकते हैं, और शॉर्टर टाइम फ्रेम पे शायद प्रॉफिट निकालने के भी चांसेस बन जाए, लेकिन लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम पे अभी स्टिल इसकी गिरने की बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस बन रहे हैं, तो बेसिकली विल हैव टू स्टिल बी कॉशियस अबाउट। तो ऐसे में ट्रेड लेना बहुत ज्यादा रिस्की मैटर तो है, क्योंकि अभी फिलहाल कोई अनसर्टेनिटी नहीं है। ऐसे में मैं आप सबको यही कहती हूँ कि ना, जब भी अनसर्टेनिटी होती है तो अवॉइड करें डे ट्रेडिंग या स्विंग ट्रेडिंग करना, उसको हॉडल करना बेटर होता है। जब अनसर्टेनिटी होती है तो अपने जो टोटल कैपिटल है उसको आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं इन डिफरेंट लॉट्स, एंड यू कैन बाय इट एट डिफरेंट टाइम फ्रेम्स। वीकली आप उसको खरीद सकते हैं। अगर इनकेस जब आप प्राइस को ऑलरेडी देख रहे हो कि नीचे जा रहा है, तो इस समय अगर आप थोड़ा सा कैपिटल अपना यूटिलाइज करके खरीद लेते हो इसको, फिर वो फर्दर अगर नीचे जाता है तो आप डॉलर कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग का फायदा उठाकर फिर आप उसमें पैसा डाल के फिर से नेक्स्ट टाइम आप खरीद कर अपने लॉस को मिटिगेट कर सकते हैं। ये आप बेसिकली कर सकते हो, और यही मैं हर किसी को कहती हूँ कि डरना नहीं चाहिए, लॉस नहीं होगा, स्पेशली अगर वो क्रिप्टोज में जहाँ पे बेसिकली ऑलरेडी हर चीज स्टेबल हो गई है। तो ये सारी चीजों का फायदा उठाते हुए आप लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए इसको हॉडल करके रख लें। तो लेट्स सी, अभी व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ये मेरा 5 मिनट्स का चार्ट तो मुझे ओवर एक्सॉशन लेवल्स पे बता रहा है। ओके, अभी मैं इस पर दूसरा मेरा इंडिकेटर लगाऊंगी, जो कि मेरा RSI, सॉरी नॉट RSI, मेरा लीनियर रिग्रेशन लगाऊंगी। ओके, आप देख सकते हो लीनियर रिग्रेशन भी बेसिकली सपोर्ट के नीचे काफी आ गया है। इसको मैं 15 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर देखती हूँ। देखो 15 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर अभी स्टिल कैपेसिटी है इसको फर्दर डाउन जाने की। ओके, 15 मिनट्स में भी स्टिल कैपेसिटी, और लॉन्गर टाइम फ्रेम्स में तो गाइस बहुत ज्यादा कैपेसिटी है उसकी और फर्दर डाउन जाने की, लेकिन वो उतनी लेवल तक जाके नीचे उठेगा नहीं उठेगा उसकी कोई ऐसी सर्टेनिटी नहीं है। तो अभी अगर मैं इसको और 45 मिनट्स पर देखूं तो ये स्टिल थोड़ा सा न्यूट्रल जोन के नीचे गया है, तो अभी 44 के लेवल पर है। ओके, तो इसमें अभी स्टिल अगर 45 मिनट्स के भी टाइम फ्रेम पर देखो तो बहुत अभी टाइम बाकी है इसको नीचे जाने के लिए। तो वो वापस से अपने सपोर्ट जोन तक वापस जा सकता है, और इसको अभी स्टिल कैपेसिटी है। तो मैं 5 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर चलती हूँ। लीनियर रिग्रेशन में तो मैंने देख लिया। अब मैं जाती हूँ, मैं आरएसआई पर भी मैंने देख लिया। अब मैं जाती हूँ अपनी डीएमआई पर। ऑलराइट, अभी डीएमआई पर देखो आप, सेलिंग काफी भारी हो गई है, 49 पर सेलिंग चल रही है। ट्रेंड काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, यानी ये जो ट्रेंड बना हुआ है, ये ट्रेंड तो अप ट्रेंड चल रहा था, चलते चलते ये अभी साइडवेज में आ गया। अगर आप देखोगे ये 5 मिनट्स के तो अभी ये सिर्फ अक्यूमुलेशन फेज में है। चलते 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 अब ये फर्दर नीचे की तरफ ब्रेकआउट कर चुका है, जिसका मतलब है कि प्राइस और नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, और यहाँ से फिर वो ऑर्डर्स अक्यूमुलेट करके फिर वो वापस अपनी सपोर्ट जोन के ऊपर पहुंचेगा। यहाँ बाइंग बहुत ज्यादा वीक हो चुकी है, सेलिंग प्रेशर बिल्डअप हो चुका है, और ट्रेंड भी काफी मजबूत नजर आता है। ओके, यहाँ पर एक ड्रैगन फ्लाई सॉरी नॉट ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी, यहाँ पर एक यहाँ पर एक ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी बनी थी। सो ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी बनी थी वहां, जिसने क्लियरली इंडिकेशन दिया है कि प्राइस अभी अपसाइड की तरफ मूव होगा। तो प्राइस ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है। अभी स्टिल हमारे पास ऑप्शन है कि या तो हम इस कैंडल पे ट्रेड लें, या फिर नेक्स्ट कैंडल का फॉर्म करने का इंतजार करें, और तब हम अपना ट्रेड ले सकते हैं और शॉर्ट टर्म। गाइस यूजुअली रिमेंबर दिस कि आपके पास अगर वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा नहीं होगा ना, इतने छोटे छोटे मूव्स में आप प्रॉफिट नहीं बना पाएंगे। तो इसीलिए प्रॉफिट के लेवल्स को ज़्यादा रखें, ताकि आप सॉरी वॉल्यूम के लेवल को आप ज़्यादा रखें, ताकि आप कम समय पे और कम मूवमेंट पे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट बना सकते हैं। रिस्क ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा तो है, नो डाउट रिस्क बहुत होता है ऐसे वाले कंडीशंस में, क्योंकि पैसा भी ज़्यादा है, वॉल्यूम भी ज़्यादा है। जस्ट इन केस कुछ भी गलत डिसीजन ले लिया आपने, तो बहुत सारी मुश्किल में आप पड़ सकते हैं। लेकिन यस, शॉर्ट टर्म लाइक डे ट्रेडिंग में या स्विंग ट्रेडिंग में, स्विंग ट्रेडिंग नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, डे ट्रेडिंग, इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग का अगर आप फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं तो वॉल्यूम को थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रखें, ताकि कम टाइम में, कम टाइम में बेसिकली आप अपना प्रॉफिट निकाल के मार्केट से एग्जिट मार सके। वरना छोटे वाले वॉल्यूम्स पे आपको घंटों इसमें टिके रहना पड़ेगा, जिससे आपको बहुत मुश्किल आ सकती है, जिससे आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। बट अगेन क्योंकि ये सब अपना अपना सबका अपना खुद का वो होता है। यू हैव टू बेसिकली सी व्हाट वर्क्स एंड व्हाट डजंट वर्क फॉर यू। मैं किसी को कितना पैसा डालना चाहिए, किस लेवल पे प्रॉफिट लेना चाहिए, नहीं लेना चाहिए, सारी चीजें किसी को गाइड करती नहीं हूँ। ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितना रिस्क ले सकते हैं, लेने के लिए रेडी है। ऑल ऑफ दैट दैट इज टोटली सब्जेक्ट टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट एंड योर कंडीशंस। इवनिंग में अगर जो भी आ रहा है गाइस, आप लोग में से मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन करना चाहते हो, यू वेलकम टू आस्क मेरी क्वेश्चन। मार्केट फिलहाल बड़े अक्यूमुलेशन फेज में चल रही है। आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो कि कोई खास मूवमेंट हो नहीं रही है। जब भी आप मार्केट को वॉच कर रहे हो और आपको ये सारे इंडिसिशन कैंडल्स, चाहे वो ग्रेवस्टोन डोजी हो गई या आप क्या कहते हैं ड्रैगन फ्लाई डोजी, ये सारे कैंडल्स बहुत बार बार दिख रहे हो और जिन कैंडल्स के विक्स बड़े हैं, बॉडी छोटे हैं, तो समझ जाना कि मार्केट स्टिल इंडिसिशन में है। अभी फिलहाल सिर्फ अक्यूमुलेट कर रही है सारे के सारे ऑर्डर्स को। कोई प्रॉपर बाइंग हो नहीं रही है जिससे प्राइस बढ़ने के आपको चांसेस नहीं दिखेंगे। इमीडिएटली तो नहीं दिखेंगे। ये सारे जो छोटे 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 कैंडल्स देख रहे हो ना, वो सारे आपको वही इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं। ओके, गाइज मैं एक और बात फिर से रिआइटरेट कर दूंगी कि फिलहाल मार्केट इन डिसीजन में चल रही है। ऐसे में आपको खरीदारी बहुत कॉशियस वे में करनी होगी, बिकॉज accumulation phase में है। All the small rejected candles that you see, they are not giving any good indication at the moment। तो आपको बहुत cautiously अपना ट्रेड लेना होगा and you cannot take a trade and hold for long, and you have to try to exit as soon as possible ताकि आपका मनी स्टक ना हो। You can see this clearly. There are some gaps that are getting created in between, which means that either there is some kind of issue, which is because that the price levels which it is not able to maintain. For example, here the price reached till 4380, then price tried to go up here. There's clearly an indication of a gap here, which means the orders between these areas did not get fulfilled. There was no trade that has happened in between this area. So because of which there are gaps that are seen in these areas actually. So either it could be due to a lot of volatility issues, or it could be due to basically a different trend that is going to come, if it is going to be a trend that is going to reverse or something, or so guys will continue talking about it after a small 5 to 10 minutes of हाय हसन, कैसे हो आप? मैं ठीक हूँ। आवाज़ नहीं आ रही, फिर से आवाज़ नहीं आ रही। अरे यार, जब भी आप ऑनलाइन आते हो आप, आवाज़ नहीं आती है क्या? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो बताइए? क्या चल रहा है? सब ठीक है? घर पर सब ठीक है? आप कहाँ पर हो? कैसे चल रहा है आपका सिंगिंग का कॉन्सर्ट्स जो भी आप करते रहते हो? सुनाई दे रहा है मेरी आवाज़? हसन, आपको मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है? आई थिंक ऑडियो तो सीधा ठीक ठाक काम कर रहा है एक्चुअली। तो कहाँ पर हो आप? शाहिद कहाँ पर है? आप किधर हो? कैसे चल रहा है आप लोग का कॉन्सर्ट वगैरह? सब ठीक है आपके घर पर? सब ठीक चल रहा है? मैं जब से बात नहीं कर रही थी एक्चुअली, तो शायद इसीलिए आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा होगा। अभी मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो आपको सुनाई दे रहा होगा। बोलिए कुछ। गाइस, प्राइस बहुत वियर्ड थोड़ा सा बिहेव कर रहा है। जो गैप्स मैं आपको बता रही थी, वो गैप्स भी बहुत अनफिल्ड है। तो ऐसे में ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नॉट गिविंग लाइक रियल इंडिकेशन, कुछ अच्छी वाली वाइब्स नहीं आ रही है इन सब से। तो थोड़ा कॉशियस होके ट्रेड करें। अंटिल अनलेस मार्केट आपको ऊपर जाती हुई नजर ना आए, तब तक थोड़ा ट्रेड्स को कॉशियसली हैंडल करें फिलहाल, क्योंकि मार्केट बेसिकली हैज हिट इट्स हाई 4900 इज व्हाट इट हैज हिट, राइट? तो वो हिट करने के बाद अभी राइट नाउ एक्यूमुलेशन फेज में चल रही है। तो ऐसे में थोड़ा सा कॉशियस होके ट्रेड करें, क्योंकि बहुत सारे गैप्स क्रिएट हो रहे हैं मार्केट में, जहाँ पे ऑर्डर्स बहुत सारे अनफुलफिल्ड हैं। अम, दूसरा ये है कि बेसिकली अभी कोई सर्टेनिटी नहीं है, क्योंकि मार्केट अभी डाउन में चल रही है। तो जब तक कोई प्रॉपर कंफर्मेशन ऑफ ट्रेंड नहीं होता है, लाइक ऊपर जाते हुए नजर नहीं आता है कुछ, तब तक थोड़ा सा कॉशियसली अपने आप को जो भी पैसे लगाते हो आप ट्रेडिंग के लिए, कॉशियसली लगाएं। I think the price is trying to retest the levels again. So the price is trying to retest the previous zone. Looks like that only. Guys, selling pressure is becoming very weak. Sorry, buying pressure is becoming very weak and selling is becoming very strong. So, like I was telling you in the morning, the price tried to touch this level. So I think it's trying to reach this level. So because it's already in downtrend, so better to wait till it reaches its exhaustion level. At this moment, I'm going to put an RSI here to see what does it look like. It's running in exhaustion level only already, and because it's a downtrend, from between this zone to this zone was a supply zone, and this was also a demand zone. You can see clearly price went shooted up to this level very clearly. You see on the price is going down, but RSI is going in opposite direction. Oh, you see, the RSI is basically trying to give a different scenario altogether. RSI per basically, there are higher lows that are getting created, and on the price, you can see there are lower lows that are getting created. So this clearly is indicating bullish divergence. Price is likely to go up. एक बार मैं निकाल कर यहाँ पर डाइवर्जेंस लगा कर देखती हूँ तो वो क्या कहता है. Guys, any questions you can ask me in the stream? So, guys, with that, we'll take a small 5 to 10 minutes of break and then we'll continue talking about it. So, hopefully, whatever we are discussing here is making some sense to you. And if you think uh, there is anything that you would like to ask, you can shoot out the questions in the stream and as well as in the community itself. All right. Like I mentioned, guys, that there is a divergence that is coming on 45 minutes time frame. So you can see market seems to have a lot of gaps actually, and it's not going in the kind of direction that we are looking for. I don't know. I'm still confused. Actually, I was thinking it's basically gaps that are getting created, but if there's technical glitch or gaps getting created, not sure of it. I try to basically refresh the page, but somehow something is wrong today. I don't know. I'm not able to conclude anything. Is it technical glitch? Is it some gaps in the market? I can't comment, guys. I'm sorry. I'm myself confused because looking at this, I thought first it is technical glitch. Then I thought it is market gaps, maybe because of which like reversal is coming. But I'm myself not sure what exactly is happening here. So, mm, not sure what is happening here. Because on the other time frames, it's not showing all these things. It's showing only on the small time frame, 5 minutes time frame, but not on the bigger one. So I'm a bit confused myself actually. See this. It looks there's a technical glitch on this because it is looking like it's a technical glitch. Something is wrong about it. On a bigger time frame, it looks good. I don't know what's wrong. Ah, anyways, today's day has been a bit off for me because technical glitches have actually myself got confused. So I am not able to conclude anything on anything because I don't really want to give you guys any wrong information. I want to make sure that you all get right kind of information. So let me not comment on what is happening here. Whether the buying pressure will build up at this stage or the price will come down. Last 9 minutes, guys. So market was playing a weird scenario altogether today. And there's a lot of technical glitches. I don't know, there's something wrong here. So So let's continue talking tomorrow. So tomorrow is another stream. Like today, there was a lot of technical glitches and gaps. I don't know if that was technical glitch or whatever. Guys, will continue to do today. I was not able to give you any a short kind of buys and sell signals, but tomorrow, if things are good and things are improving, then definitely we will see. Um, at this moment, because I'm myself confused, I'm not able to give you any right kind of information. So let's keep it for the day today, and tomorrow we'll continue talking about technical analysis as well as what are the opportunities for us to buy. Uh, keep I mean, start your crypto journey, start trading. That's what I can say. And we are there to guide you at every step. So don't worry on that aspect. All right. So take care of yourself, guys. Have a great evening ahead. And I'll see you tomorrow between 4 to 8 p.m. Dubai time. This is Nirafni signing off from Seabed.